Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel HR Talks with Khala. I hope you all are doing really well, and all the viewers who are watching my videos, please don't forget to follow and click the bell icon to see the latest videos every week. Today we are going to discuss something on a very interesting topic which is also very relevant to the kind of work environment we are living in today. You guys know that after COVID, the dynamics of work have completely and tremendously changed. So now we have a lot of teams which are on site and we have a lot of teams which are remote as well. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the challenges of working in a remote setup and how to manage those remote teams effectively. Let's dive in. Challenge number 1. That I've often heard a saying from remote employees that we are out of sight, we are out of mind. And in my career of 12 years, I've often felt that remote employees often complain of the fact that since they're not working on site, sometimes their complaints, their issues are left unresolved because they're unable to just quickly go to the next seat and talk to their line manager, their lead, or a colleague if they're facing any issue, which will increase frustration among them, and they feel that they're not that visible in the organization as their on-site colleagues. So this is a very common issue that remote teams feel. How, as part of management, we can resolve that? Solution number 1, we have to set a structured meeting schedule to connect with them consistently. It should at least be once a week or bi-weekly. So they are informed that they are going to have this meeting and they can share all their concerns and their worries in that meeting as well. So making sure that we have consistent schedule of connect with them and making sure that those schedules stay disciplined and we are on time to show them the respect that they're equally important to us as the on-site team as well. We'll also give them the confidence to talk whatever they want to talk in those meetings. Then solution number 2. There are a lot of hallway discussions, coffee break discussions, lunch discussions that are sometimes very crucial and very important for the teams. And sometimes those discussions are happening in the office and the remote teams are unable to be a part of it. As part of the management or as part of a lead who's managing those teams, ensure that those remote employees are kept in loop of these critical discussions. If those discussions are happening during lunch, during coffee break, ensure that they get the message and they're well aware of any crucial detail that they should be a part of and they do not feel that they are kept out of loop. So this is the responsibility of the management to ensure. Challenge number 2, how to manage productivity for remote employees, which is very crucial to any business. So solution number 1, we have to set smart and clear objectives for our teams who are working remote, be it start of the quarter or be it start of the year. We have to give them a clear description of what is expected out of them, what are their deliverables, and what are the subsequent deadlines as well. So they should be clear and they should be working on it every day. Solution number 2, there are a lot of softwares in the market nowadays which can make sure that the productivity is being managed in the most effective way. For example, Time Doctor, which includes a very helpful medium where employees can also manage their productivity and companies can get a great visibility into how each and every remote employee is doing. Challenge number 3, ensuring data security. When employees are working remotely, there is a big risk of data leakage or data breach. So in order to ensure that data is secured in remote employees' IT assets or by them as well, we need to give them adequate training on how to avoid phishing attempts, how to secure data on their workstations, and how to ensure that they are aware of the kind of tactics where an external party can invade our privacy or breach our data as well. So we have to keep them trained on specific measures and make sure that the latest protective softwares are uploaded on their system. Challenge number 4, how to manage different time zones for remote employees. So make sure whenever you're setting time as a lead or a manager to set a meeting with the remote team members, make sure that that schedule is flexible and take care of the time zones that your remote teams are in case any remote team member is not able to be part of that meeting, ensure to send them a message to keep them in loop as well, so that they don't feel out of loop for any special meeting that the team required them for. The fifth and the most important challenge that remote teams feel and often come to me as a complaint as well is low morale for them. Just like in the start of my video, like I explained, that remote teams often feel that they are being overlooked when it comes to different recognitions, when it comes to different promotions, just because they're not on site. So whenever you feel that your remote teams are facing a low morale, ensure that you give them the space to discuss and talk with their lead or a manager if you're any one of them, so that if they're facing any sort of challenge, they should be able to discuss it as well, and ensure to keep those recognitions, those awards and those ceremonies remote as well, or keep them part of those ceremonies so they're well aware that they are being rewarded or applauded for the kind of work they do, no matter what their work mode is.